Hello, fellow coffee beans! I hope you had your coffee today. I am working on mine. It's in my My Little Pony cup, as usual. Well, I am back with another interesting video for you guys. It's a craft kit I picked up at Michael's. I don't remember how much it was. Let me grab the receipt. They were having a huge sale that they were combining coupons this day. So I got this kit at Michael's. It was about $3. I will leave a link below to see if I can find this on Amazon if anyone would like to try and use it. Not sponsored, not affiliated. I feel like I need to say that. I haven't been talked to. It is called Fluffables, and they're little pom-pom pets, and they come with a mystery accessory pack. It's like a weird silicone thing that you push I don't even understand, the felt into? I don't know. And then it says that you will need scissors. So hopefully I don't need anything else, just scissors, but I guess we'll see. And it says it should take 1 hour. Yeah, right. It says 6 and up. I mean, I'm pretty good with crafting, so I should do okay. Let's see. Okay, we're here with our Fluffables kit, and what made me really want to get it, well, I mean, besides the fact that it's adorable, what really made me want to get it was how you have to make it. That looks ridiculous. I mean, it's like a squeezy and you're like stabbing felt into it. And then these pictures confused me until I realized it comes with a mystery pack. So they're really, you know, going into that fad of mystery packs. So it says collect them all. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. We got some felt, the squishy, which, oh no, it's not squishy. It's like really firm. I thought from this it looks like it's squishy, but I think it's because of the angle of the purple. Makes it look like it's squishy, so I just assumed it was squishy. Okay, let's see these directions. What will your Fluffable look like? Pumpkin! Oh, that's the color we got, was pumpkin. Oh, okay, so I noticed that on the side it says pumpkin, but it was a purple cat, or a purple puppy. So I didn't associate these two together, or I did associate these two together, and I was like, why is it purple if it's pumpkin? But it looks like that's what we got was pumpkin, because that's the coloring. So I don't know if maybe that's like a way to tell or choose what colors you're getting. The other thing is it says it takes 1 hour, and I actually have about 2 hours before I need to go to work. So fingers crossed I can get this done. So it has all the directions. So you do the ears first, the tail, then the face. I am not entirely sure about the felting part. Loop over your finger. Okay, so maybe it's kind of like doll rerouting. Yeah, it's kind of like a doll reroute. Scoop and insert. Do I just insert it anywhere? Oh man. Okay, and then what's this side? Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more. 4. Fluff, style, and trim. Oh, so it's showing you that's where you fluff, not on the belly. Gently comb. It comes with a combing tool. Oh, and it's telling you like yellow, orange. Oh my god, look at this little face. Ah, that's so cute. And then trim. Okay, well, then there's the mystery pack of what accessories you get. Oh, alright guys, let's see. Here's our felt. I like that it comes in a resealable bag, so if I don't use it all, I can put it right back in. What in the world? Oh, I'm so nervous. I don't think I'm gonna do it right. 6 and up. Okay, alright, okay. So it comes with a lot, honestly. Here's our little guy, our Fluffable. And like, I mean, he is not squishy. Like, he is not squishy at all. So I see where you're supposed to put the face, the ears, and the tail. Oh boy. Okay. I'm getting so nervous to do this. I don't know if I'm gonna do it right. Or I'll do it correctly, but it won't look good. Okay, so we got the tool, which looks like a rerouting tool for doll customizing. The little comb. The eyes, which I use something similar for crochet. Oh, but it screws in. Oh, you like screw it in. Oh. And the little face. And then, yeah, the little tail and 2 ears. And what's this? That's the mystery. Okay. Oh, I feel kind of, oh, I think it's glasses, but I'm gonna wait. We'll wait to do the mystery. I'll put that there. Otherwise, I'll forget. All right. Okay, let's get started. Good luck. Okay, guys, he is totally done, or she? I'm not sure. Looks like a giant, I don't even know. A giant fluff ball with little feet. So the next step is to kind of gently comb him out and trim the fur. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I think that's about the best I can do. Honestly, I could probably keep trimming him for hours. I mean, honestly, I think trimming was probably the most difficult part, but I could just keep going. But look at how stinking cute. His little tail. Oh my gosh, I snipped his tail. Oh no, I didn't. It looked like I cut his tail. Guys, little ears. He keeps looking like a Pomeranian to me rather than a cat. We got all this fluff that I could actually keep for a crochet project, which is great. But before we leave off, we need to open our mystery pack. Oh, let's see what we got. I think it is glasses, but let's see. It is little glasses! Oh, they like hook around the nose. Oh my, stop it. Look at how freaking cute. Jeez, it's so freaking cute. I can't handle it. Look at how cute he is. All done. Yeah, he was a lot of fun to make.
very relaxing. I would say it probably took me maybe like an hour and a half, maybe a little over an hour. And it said it was on the box it should take an hour, but for a 6-year-old, I can't imagine. Well, one, I can't really imagine them finishing it because it took a lot of patience. I mean, even by the end, I was like, okay, just fill it up. It's not that big of a deal. So I don't know that a 6-year-old would finish it, but it was a lot of fun to do. I highly recommend it. I will leave a link below for you guys to check it out on Amazon. I got mine at Michael's, so I might include a Michael's link. If you guys want to try it out. And if you do, make sure that you tag me on Instagram, hashtag bunnieDolls, because I would love to see what you make. And I will give you a big shout out in my next video. Even if you make like little fan art of this guy, like I think I'm going to do a little chibi of him because he's cute. And if you guys can think of any names for him, do hashtag bunnieDolls on Instagram or in the comments below. I'd love to see what you guys think his name should be. He kind of looks like Crookshanks to me from Harry Potter. But even as I was working on him, I was thinking he'd be really easy to modify to look like Flareon. So like you could give him a really big bushy butt and do a lot of yellow around here. So then it'll look like his tail is the fire with the yellow mane. I think it would work really well. Anyway, let me guys know what you think. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. And make sure you comment because my channel is new, so I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks guys, until next time.
Okay, well, it's already adorable. Jeez. What? Yeah, that looks so weird. Ugh.